When I say bananas, you say peppers. And I don't know if I'm gonna like filming on this or not. You don't maybe know what I'm talking about. Yesterday on Graveyard Girl, I uploaded a does this thing really work on this crazy hula chair. I saw a lot of people suggesting that I could start sitting on this instead of sitting on a skateboard. And then even while I'm filming these videos, I can kind of be like balancing and exercising, but it might be too rocky. I don't know. We'll try it this once. And if you guys think it's too distracting, then we don't ever have to do it again. And today we are back in my messy closet. Today we are expanding my nest of fake babies. I don't know why I just referred to them as a nest. And I do know that some of you guys love this kind of content and some of y'all don't. Some of y'all do find it creepy or weird or strange, whatever. I love it. And definitely my collection of reborn dolls has grown behind the scenes of YouTube. Today we have a very special baby because we are throwing it kind of all the way back to my original baby, Blue Baby, aka Avatar Baby, aka, what else can we call you? Alien Child. So this is my original reborn doll, the one that started it all, and I'm not gonna lie, he is getting a little rough and tumble here. This is definitely the baby that I've taken out the most, that I travel with the most. I've taken him to Disney a couple of times. If you guys are interested in those videos, I will link them down below. Walt Disney World at Animal Kingdom has an entire like Avatar land. It's actually called Pandora, that's its technical name, but I thought it would be so much fun to take him to Avatar land and kind of like film people's reactions and stuff like that. And we did go back to Disney last December during Christmas, but that was the first time I had ever been to Disney World during Christmas, and it was way too hectic and crazy. So I ended up taking him on that trip, but I didn't take him out anyway. I don't. Long story short, me and Blue Baby, we've got a long history together. Since I got this one, I have kind of been interested in other Avatar reborn babies on the market. There are a couple of different artists out there that make different versions of this doll. This one, in fact, I feel like is kind of a knockoff, and I don't want to retell this whole story again because I feel like I told this in another reborn unboxing reborn vlog, but I believe the original Avatar reborn baby was done first by a store or a, what would we call these? Like a nursery, a designer, a company called Baby Clone or Baby Clone. This one looks really close to that one. I'm gonna try and order a real one from them, so that might be another video for another day. But what I came across on Etsy, which is where I shop for reborn dolls, actually, I don't think I've purchased another one from anywhere other than Etsy. Something I found that was very exciting to me is a miniature Avatar baby. And I believe my last reborn unboxing on this channel was another doll that I got by this same designer, and her shop name is actually just called Silicone Babies, and she's out of Russia, and her specialty seems to be making like teeny tiny, what I would call like pocket babies. I don't think anyone else in the world calls them pocket babies. That's what we're going to be looking at today. And she had a couple different versions of this doll. One was awake and one was sleeping. And I don't even want to tell you how many hours I spent clicking back and forth to try and decide if I wanted to get a sleeping avatar again or a waking avatar. You guys will see as I unbox him if he's awake or asleep. Oh my gosh. This one quite apparently comes in Tupperware, and I'm about to tickle your nostalgia bone. That actually sounds gross, so I take that phrase back. Out to just try and trigger a 90s memory for you. But did you guys ever watch Eerie Indiana? I was obsessed with that show. This kid with gray hair, but he had like a deeper man voice, all gray hair. I think that was kind of like my first childhood crush.
That's a lot of maybes. Until then, I'm gonna use these for a name.
Anyway, Anyway, this reminds me of an episode of Eerie, Indiana, because it's all about this lady who sells Tupperware, but she keeps her children and herself. She seals them up in Tupperware at night so that they never age. Anyway, on to this baby who is being born out of Tupperware. I'm just gonna dump him out. I don't know. I know sometimes like the way I hold these or move these is upsetting to some people, but to me, it's just a doll. It's not a baby. It's not alive. It's the same as any of those dolls. We've got a Ziploc baggie with a baby inside. Right on top, I do think that this is so cute. The last little tiny doll I got from her, I got the same thing. It's a little like birth certificate card, which I just think is very cute and it's a nice touch. My gosh, we have another little extra. This is beyond adorable. I have never seen a teddy bear this tiny. He came with a little itty bitty teeny tiny teddy bear. Now I do have some teeny tiny bears in my life because I used to put them in my hair all the time, but they're still much bigger than this. They're like that big. I've never seen a teddy bear in my life so tiny. These are supposed to be little slippers, but they might still be too big for his little feet. Really quick, type a comment right now. Do you think he's asleep or awake? Guess in the next 5 seconds. Hopefully I did a bad enough job of singing that this video won't get claimed. Did you guess asleep? Because if so, you're right. I'm gonna be honest, I think the little outfit, it's kind of crazy looking. I'm not much for the crocheted outfits. I usually like to put them in like real baby clothes, like real preemie sized clothes, or just little preemie sized diapers. I mean, I appreciate it though, because it is pretty impossible. I don't think that there's any, or you know what? The other tiny one did come with, you guys were telling me it's like a, let me pause so I can find it. One of the other miniature dolls that I ordered from her actually came with this diaper, which is obviously way smaller even than preemie, which I think y'all said that I could get them at like a medical supply, but still obviously this is like way too big for this size doll. This is probably the tiniest one I have in my collection. One of the really cool things about these miniatures is their little mouths actually open, so you can put tiny pacifiers or bottles in their mouth. Let's go ahead and take off the little bonnet also. Oh my gosh, look at the ears, so cute. Also has a nice little avatar mohawk here. Hopefully we are close enough to the lights right now that he'll be like sucking in the light, because I do believe all of these little dots, they're either glow in the dark or UV reactive. I don't remember which. Look at that little face. Love the little ears. So cute. And then obviously the little cheeks. La la la. La la la. I'm hoping he has a little diaper on so that I can show you guys the tail. Nope. We have a little naked avatar butt. I just borrowed a diaper from another teeny tiny little baby that I made an unboxing video for, but I haven't uploaded it yet. We're not even gonna talk about that. But look at the teeny tiny little tail. And it actually has a little hair on it. Like I said, I think the original baby clone avatar baby dolls do have hair on the tails. Mine only has like the mohawk hair rooted. He does have a tail, but it's just like a plain tail. I love the coloring on this one as well. He is, I feel like, quite a bit more of a deep blue tone than big avatar baby. We have lots of stripes and lots of these painted dot details, which definitely glow. I just walked down the hallway and it's a lot darker in there than in here. Everywhere in the world is a lot darker than it is in here. And so I started to see all the glowing already, and it looks really awesome. I like the mixture of textures here. I know this is kind of stupid and weird, but I like these little miniature ones. There's just something that helps me de-stress when I like look at these things. I don't know why. They're like squishies for me. So in the same way that I like squishies to have like a mixture of textures sometimes, like sprinkles or whatever, I definitely find this one like relaxing to hold in the same way. Not really a practical like stress relieving item. You know what this reminds me of? I'm gonna see if I can find it and show you guys. I keep stopping and starting. My gosh, I can't find him. Honestly, I might have given him away. I got this thing on Wish a long time ago, but there are these things, and I think of course the one I got from Wish is a knockoff, but it is an actual Japanese stress ball, and I think the real ones are made out of silicone and their faces, and it's kind of like this. You can just like squeeze the face and it'll make a different expression. The ones on Wish are like free, but the real Japanese ones are kind of pricey too. For like a stress ball, it's like $80 or something. I love the details. It almost looks like there's actual, like, can we get him some teeny tiny AirPods? Because I feel like they would stick in there. Like I said in my last Reborn unboxing on this channel, which was another one from her shop, like a tiny micro Reborn. I don't remember what I called that video, but I feel like she does have quite a following on social media, because every time she lists these dolls, particularly the Avatar ones, they seem to sell out literally between 24 and 48 hours. Like the first time I saw these miniature Avatar dolls was I think September or October of last year. I saw that it had just been listed because it had like no favorites or anything, and so I favorited it, and then I thought I could like sleep on it and like think about like, oh, like did I think it would make a good video? Did I want to get it? Blah, 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 blah. And literally I logged on Etsy the next day because I was like, yeah, I want to get it. It sold out already. I had been waiting for her to restock these Avatar dolls forever, and she restocked two ones, a sleeping one and an awake one, and I thought I wanted the awake one, but I feel like each time she makes them a little bit different with like different colored eyes and stuff. And so I think that the one that I saw originally that was awake had brown eyes, and this one had green eyes. So I don't know. I kind of do want to get an awake one. Like I said, I feel like I'm on the quest for all different kind of Avatar baby dolls now. Like I kind of just want to get different ones in my collection. I don't know why I'm so attached to the Avatar ones. I think it is because they look like little elves. They're just so interesting and unique to me, and I like it. Also, it doesn't really look anything like a real baby to me, which is why I feel like I like this one so much. Let me cut all the lights and we'll sit in this spooky dark closet together. Creepiest room in this house? Maybe. I'm gonna call Dogman in here. We'll get him to stand in here with me. No, I seem crazy, but this room with all the lights turned out really freaks me out. Oh my gosh. It is so cool. Okay, now that you've cut off every light in here, it's horrifying and exciting all at once. Oh my gosh. Bigger Avatar baby is like really glowing too. See, I don't know what it is about original Avatar baby. I don't know if you guys can see the dots at all. Like the glowing is really visible, right? Don't you see him glowing? But it doesn't ever pick up on camera. Drives me crazy. Do you ever get weird heebie-jeebies in this closet?
No.
No, he does not. I'm the only one. Just me. Bye. That is it for me. Let me know what you guys think about this little guy. I feel like these are great. These smaller ones, if you are kind of curious about these little reborns, but maybe you don't want to spend too much money, these are definitely less expensive than the larger full-size dolls. They're definitely not cheap, but they are just like much less expensive because they're very tiny. I feel like the quality of these ones is always super nice. Like I've gotten some dolls in the past that come and they're like really sticky and stuff. But these, like the silicone just feels like a really high quality. Like this is the type of doll, like given its size and everything, that I would be tempted to just chuck in the bottom of my purse. And I know to some people that sounds crazy, but like definitely if I was still in college, I would keep one of these in my backpack all the time. Like I said, it is just kind of like a little stress reliever, like a squishy. baby. Like, I don't know, like if you're about to take a test or something, just squish on some little chubby avatar baby cheeks. This one might be my new favorite little pocket baby to chuck in a purse or something. I don't know. I don't carry them around with me all the time, but these little ones, sometimes I do. I don't know. I'm somebody, I just like to have like little things, little props, little items all the time. It's just fun to me. Let me know in the comments down below, who do you think reigns supreme? Is it big, giant blue baby or his little teeny tiny brother? Look at them side by side. That's hilarious. Like, this one looks so teeny tiny compared to this one. Look at that. Anyway, goodbye from us today. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I actually had filmed a haul the other day and I just never put it up because I filmed it after I filmed the Swamp Family mail, and I think I was just like hungry and like extra sassy. I don't know. I just didn't want to like make anybody think I was being like mad or anything. I feel like today's video was kind of a topic jumping mess. Sometimes I feel like so ready and excited to film and I think that I know what I'm gonna say and how everything's gonna go, and then I sit down to film and my mind is just a blank. And that's kind of what happened today. But we can't be perfect every single day now, can we? I hope you guys enjoyed today's baby unboxing. Leave me a comment, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. And if you haven't already, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, spending a little time with me. Thank you so much for all the support. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!